Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2002 Volvo S80. The headlights all have relatively easy access. Most of the bulbs are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing, and the ones that require tools, like the parking and turn signal bulbs, only require either a panel puller or screwdriver to help pry their housings out. The taillights are also easy to access. Although you will need to remove a portion of the trunk lining to access them, no tools are required and the bulbs are all located in large bulb assemblies that remove with the simple press of a tab. The engine air filter is easily found towards the right of the engine bay. No tools are needed to disengage its fasteners, and the housing lifts up easily to allow you quick access to the filter itself. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The cabin air filter is located underneath the glove box, which may prove to be a difficult position to work in. You will need to remove multiple panels and fasteners in order to access the filter, which will be rather time-consuming. Unlike similar models, this vehicle does not come equipped with a petcock. In order to drain the radiator's fluid, you will need to disconnect the lower radiator hose from underneath the vehicle, which can be a messier and more time-consuming process. The oil drain plug and oil filter are also located underneath the vehicle, and will require a large panel that's held on by multiple bolts to be removed for access. This will be an awkward position to work in, as you will need to contend with gravity to maneuver the panel off. Overall, the 2002 Volvo S80 is a relatively easy car to maintain, and would be a good fit for those who are inexperienced and new to car repair.